Hi guys, and if you're new here, my name is Stephanie. For the others, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be all about this look right here. So I had a hair in my mouth, okay. Yeah, so I was inspired by Selena Gomez's AMAS makeup that she had on her performance. I think it was not the red carpet, so I will link the makeup artist Instagram down below. Just go follow him, he's so talented. Before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also don't forget to follow me on my social media, and without further ado, let's jump into this. So first I'm gonna do my first I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm gonna do them off camera and I will be right back. For recreate the Selena look that she had on AMAs, I'm gonna first put a little bit of brown in my crease because she looked like she had something on her crease, like a neutral brown. Something like this Fenty Shady bronzer. So the Hula bronzer will work great with this kind of look. So I'm gonna quickly put this in my crease. Just like a blow off color. Nothing super like structured. And it looks like she had also the same shade on her lids. So I'm gonna put this a little bit on my lids. But it looks like she doesn't have anything like a hello cut crease kind of thing. So now for my glitter, I'm gonna take this Tarte, it's called Chrome Paint in the shade Top Yacht. So I don't know what the makeup artist used for this look because it didn't put in his description, but yeah, I'm gonna do something with what I have. So I just take a flat tiny brush and I'm just gonna press this on my lids and on the center of my lids. And if you use some type of glitter like this one, just do your face after because we're gonna add some fallout. So if you want to wipe everything under your eyes. So her glitter looks a little bit more dark. So I'm gonna take my Smoky Storm, by Stila, and I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand. Use the same brush and just put this on my lids. So why I put first on the back of my hand and put this with a pen, not a pencil, but a brush, it's because the shade is too pigmented and her looks like soft and yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna also take my Heavy Metal Midnight Cowboy, and again I'm gonna put this on the back of my hands and go with my brush, same thing, and that way I can control where I want my glitter. Yes, this is beautiful. So now I'm gonna do a wing liner with some pencil and just blend everything. So everything don't need to be precise, and that's why I love this look. More dense pencil like this, and take the brown in the Jaclyn Hill palette, so not the brown, the black, and just blend this pencil. My wing is a little bit more intense than her, but it's gonna be that. So I'm gonna recreate the same thing on my other eyes and put some mascara, falsies, and I will be right back. So my false lashes are on, everything. So now I'm gonna go with my face. Why? So first I'm gonna put my brightening under eyes corrector by Becca under my eyes. So I'm just gonna tap this under my eyes, and also I remove all the glitter under my eyes with some makeup wipes. It's crazy how this stuff works so much. And I also love that you don't need a lot under your eyes, so for my more mature skin, this will not emphasize all your fine lines and everything. And for my drier skin, this will not again emphasize all the dry skin under your eyes. So I love this product so much. So now I'm gonna go with my No Problem Primer by Touch and Soul. So right now my skin, like I said, is super dry. So for foundation, I'm gonna go with my CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir foundation, and I know this foundation is not available anymore. So why CoverGirl? The most beautiful foundation for all skin type, because really this go well with my skin on summertime, and on summer my skin is more oily, and it go well on summertime, on winter time when my skin is super duper dry. So why they do this to us? I don't know. So now I'm gonna just apply my concealer. So it's the Jouer concealer, like I put on my eyes to prime them. So now I'm gonna set everything, not on my face, but I'm gonna set my concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm just gonna put this under my eyes and pack this up on my forehead and on my nose. I love loose powder, but it's so messy. So now I'm gonna do my other eyes. So first I'm gonna put some black liner under my eyes. And I'm just gonna avoid the center of my waterline. And now with this pencil I'm just gonna blend. And in my waterline I'm just gonna put some black eyeshadow to be sure that the black pencil is gonna stay all night on in my waterline. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of my Tarte Chrome paint in the center of my waterline. Now I'm gonna remove all the bake, so I'm just gonna press the powder and swipe a little bit. So now I'm gonna bronze my skin, so I'm gonna take this brush and take my butter bronzer and quickly bronze my skin. So in her picture she doesn't look like she had a lot of blush, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Milani Romantic Rose blush, so it's more like a neutral, natural kind of look. And I'm not gonna put a lot also, just to add a little bit more life. I just don't know why my nose looks so weird on camera, but in real life it looks so snatched, but in camera it looks just so much weird. So now I'm gonna go with my highlights. So I'm gonna take my Mirror Luminizer and just pop this. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Morphe setting spray. So for her lips, she had a pretty nude lips, but you can pair this look with anything, like a dark purple, a red for Christmas, everything. You can put this with everything. But I'm gonna go with a nude like her. So for my liner, I'm gonna go with Oak from MAC. But she had something a little bit more dark. I'm gonna try a Whirl from MAC again. No, it's more dark than this. I'm gonna go with Morning Coffee again from MAC. For me, lining my lips and doing the nose contour is the most difficult stuff on my face. And for lips, I'm gonna take my liquid lipstick from Ofra in the shade Paulo. I'm just gonna blend this with my finger. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this look. Like I said, you can put this high look with anything on your lips. So if you want a red, if you want some dark vampy lips, you can go with everything, and it's super easy to achieve. I hope you like this first Christmas tutorial already. Woo! I cannot believe it's already Christmas right now, and I will see you soon. Bye.